I don't know if it's just me that craves cooking things. I don't mean craving to eat something, but actually craving to cook something. And this is something that was quite popular when I was in secondary school. And I just sort of adjusted the recipe a little bit. And I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So today we're going to be making Yamarita. And the first thing I'd like for you to note is that you want to cut your yams into thick cubes. And then you're going to boil your yams with salt, butter, and sugar. The sugar is optional. I just like it. Then for this teriyaki chicken recipe, you're basically just going to be mixing suya pepper, seasoning cubes, teriyaki sauce, vegetable oil, and you're going to either air fry this or you can fry it in oil. Now allow your yams to cook until it is soft, just like you're seeing in this video. Then you want to put it in the fridge or the freezer just so it firms up. That way the yams don't scatter when you're going the next process. So the next thing you're going to do is going to put some all-purpose flour, some cornstarch, some breadcrumbs, salt and sugar in a bowl, mix it together, and you're going to break some eggs. Now the quantity of eggs depends on the quantity of yams you are trying to fry. Now you're going to put your pan on fire and your oil to fry. You want to deep fry this, so we take the yams out of the freezer and then we're going to dip it in the flour mix, in the egg, and then back in the flour mix. This is so the yam is thickly coated. And then we'll put it in our ready oil, and you're going to fry this until you have a nice brown crispy texture on the outer part of the yam. And I promise you, when you make yamarita like this, you would never make it anywhere else, because the yam is soft and sweet on the inside and it's crunchy on the outside. Now, the next thing we're going to be making is chicken nkwobi, because nobody died and said you can only use cow leg to make nkwobi. So I start by putting my oil, and I use banga potash because it's healthier for the stomach. I go in with my crayfish, my pepper mix, onions, ugba, and my isiu spices. Then I go in with my air fried teriyaki chicken, and I just mix all of that together. Then I put this on fire and I add some more curd oil, and I give this a good mix, just enough for it to steam so everything is hot and nicely combined. And I serve this on the side of the yamarita. Guys, this is a recipe you should most certainly try, because I guarantee you're going to come back and thank me. Do you have questions? Let me know. Okay.